Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to hide your name in Valorant and basically how to make it look something different for others and how you can even hide other people names in Valorant. So, first of all, I will show you an example how the name will show for other people. Basically for me, I have TT Loli, which is my ID. So this is the normal ID that will show up for other people. But sometimes I feel like I don't want to show up my ID and I want to hide it. Well, how you can do it? It is pretty much simple. You go to settings top right and then you click settings and basically you just have to go to general. You just ignore the others, go to general and then you go all the way down here to privacy and then hide my name from players outside my party. So this will only your only name that will appear for others. So for example, let's say that you have turned it on. So here we go, we turned it on. So let's say we play in, for example, Killjoy. The name that will show up for other people for like instead of my name is the name of the agent that I'm playing. So instead of TT Lowly, they will appear for them Killjoy. For example, I played Euro, they will show up Euro. And this will work for all the other agents. Of course, your party members will still be able to see your name, but at least your other, like the other enemies or your teammates, will not be able to see your name. And if you want to become more or less more like anonymous, you can even hide your level guys. So let's go to, for example, collection, go to player cards, go to level borders, and let's remove that. After that, even your level guys will be disappeared and they will not know who you are, which level you are, and even sometimes they will not even know which rank you are. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.